I know y'all looking at my eyebrows like, girl, you ain't really got none. But listen, don't nobody need to know all of that. So I'm gonna wrap this on up. I did a wash and go. If you haven't checked that out, you might need to. It's linked in the description box. So let's get started. Like I said, I don't have that much eyebrows, so y'all know, you don't judge me. It's always been like this, very scarce. You know, I have hair. My hair grows pretty fast, you know, everywhere else, you know, mind your business. But on my eyebrows, I got my eyebrows arched when I was in high school. Ever since high school. And, you know, there was really nothing really there. So, I believe I could have lived without that part in my life, okay? So, maybe a video, I'll do a video of me back in the day, you know, until now. But anywho, so as you can see, it's little hairs right here. And what I like to do sometimes, not all the time, sometimes, honey, I just put the stuff on there and go, okay? Because I don't got time. But today, I'm going to teach y'all how to get beautiful brows, okay? All on your preference, what you like. So, I'm going to take a little razor. I got this from, I think, Walgreens or something like that. Maybe the beauty supply store. And I'm going to just cut those hairs off. So brush them back in place. And as you can see, we have some semi-perfect eyebrows, you know. They don't look like they came from the nail salon, but they will do. It depends on the day that I'm having, right? Of what kind of eyebrows I want. Now, if I'm going to Walmart or Target or, you know, I'm just chilling for the day, I typically use an eyebrow pencil. And the eyebrow pencil I like to use is the Nicka K eyebrow pencil in the shade, in the shade dark brown, 03 dark brown, 03 dark brown. So I got that from my local beauty supply store. But on the days where I'm going out on a date or a fashion show event or something like that, you know, something where I want to be a little more beat, I use brow pomade. And the kind that I use is I Envy by Kiss. Looks like this. And it doesn't have a color or anything like this, but I think this one was dark brown. Looks like this. I start on the corner of my eyebrow, making the outline, following my eye shape. That's the bottom. Now also remember, don't be hard on yourself, because no matter what you draw on your eyebrows, the concealer is the most important step, because that's actually going to shape your eyebrows. It's going to give it that final look. So even if I go ham on this eyebrow and just draw dark and thick eyebrows, I can fix it at the end. So go to the top now and do the outline for the top. So I still start in the middle of the brow. You want this part a little darker. From this part to the front, you want it to look natural, so you want it to be lighter. You want to take hair-like strokes, just like this. Hair-like strokes. And fill in that front so that it looks natural. Tweeze, not tweeze it. What is this called? Use your spoolie, honey. Use your spoolie. And you just gonna brush that through like that. And baby, that is an eyebrow. The next part after you do this is you want to conceal that bad boy. So for concealer, I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind in the shade Caramel. And I also use the LA Pro Girl in Warm Honey. So the Warm Honey I use from this part back. And that's to give my eyebrow the highlight. For the rest of my eyebrow, the top and the front portion, I use the Caramel kind. I'm going to take me an angled brush. Looks like this. Looking at my camera, it doesn't really look too much of a difference, but it totally is. It's maybe like a shade or two darker. The Caramel is about a shade or two darker than the Warm Honey color. But we just give that a seamless look like that. To do the top of your eyebrows, your hand needs to be very steady because you know what? You're going to be holding your pencil or your brush like this, and you don't want to, you know, drop down into your eyebrows. So what I like to do is rest the brush and drag the brush like so. So I cut some of that brow off. And I need to put that back because it actually was cuter longer. Okay, so let's do this eyebrow over here and make it look like a clown. So no, it's 2019. What I'm about to show you is not the correct way to do your eyebrows, but it's letting you know that if you make a mistake or if you do your eyebrows a little too dark, then you don't have to worry because concealer is the main part of doing the eyebrow. So I'm going to take that same brow pomade. I'm going to take that same brow pomade and I'm going to put it on my brush. I'm going to load it on there, right? And I'm going to just start drawing a line. You can see I'm still keeping the concept of you want this part of your eyebrow dark. Well, not dark, but you know, a little darker than the front. You want it dark, right? You still brush them out. But in the front of your eyebrows, instead of doing the hair-like strokes, I'm doing back and forth motions like that. Okay, so do y'all see this eyebrow compared to this eyebrow? They look totally different. And it's no worries, okay? Because we're going to fix that bad boy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. So as far as the eyebrow, it's not a bad shape. The shape actually looks good. You have your arch. It comes down to the front. It's slightly lighter in the front. And it goes darker towards the end. You have a long pointy tail. It may be a little too long. But we're going to fix that, see? Because this one's going to take some concealing, okay? This one you're going to use some concealer, okay? Because that thing is thick. And I don't know about you, but I don't really like too thick of an eyebrow. I don't want to look crazy. My eyebrows, I don't want to look crazy. So my eyes are kind of small. If you see me on a real happy day, I get real chingy. So I don't need this size eyebrow. I don't know too many people who do. But we're going to move right along, okay? About right here to right here, it gets a little too thick. So from right here to right here, we got to thin that bad boy out. Now, I would say the easiest way to thin your eyebrows out is from the top. Now, remember, you got to blend. You can't walk around. You cannot walk around looking like this. You got to blend it, baby. You got to blend it, okay? We're going to do the top portion now. So seeing that I have to take it down a little bit because it's too thick right here. We got to take it down a little bit, okay? So I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to shrink it. Just like that. Right? Do they look about the same size now? We're going to have to take away a little portion of this, but I think they're about the same size. So make sure you put enough concealer up there because the pomade may show through the concealer. Now remember when I did this side of the eyebrows, I went sideways. I didn't make the natural hair-like strokes. Okay, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. It's all, like I said, it's all on your preference. It's your brows. You make them how you would like to make them. But see, some people want it to look more natural, to where the hairs are sticking up like so. And then some people just want the ombre effect, to where it's light and then it gets to dark. Which either way is, you know, okay. They both look nice. I mean, eyebrows are not twins. They're sisters, okay? So don't kill yourself trying to make this eyebrow look like this eyebrow, because naturally, your eyebrows are not the same. Hey, your boob's not the same, okay? This boob bigger than this one. This butt cheek higher than this one. Baby, don't kill yourself, okay? Because the only people that can make it close to perfect is the doctors, all right? So don't even do it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Be you. Eyebrows banging. I did a good job. So, have you slayed your eyebrows today is the question. I know I did. If you watching this, I know you will, okay? So if you like this video and you're excited to see what I have in store, please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, I'll see you later. I just can't stop looking at my eyebrows. Okay, y'all better subscribe to this channel. Y'all better subscribe right now. That's all I'm saying. But I'll see y'all next time.